Stop stressing about your book. Stop it right now. Stop worrying about every single word and just write the damn book. Get it down, get it onto the paper, and then you can work with it. If you have nothing on the page, there's nothing to work with.
You got anything on the horizon?
No.
And the more you sit there and stress about every single word, the longer it's going to take for you to finish your book, get it published, and to finally become an author. If you want to become a better writer today, I want you to read, watch, and most of all, analyze. Every single book you read, every single movie and TV show you watch, every single one of them is an opportunity to learn how to be a better writer. If you really analyze those things using a lot of the techniques that I talk about in these videos for plotting and for character development, you will see exactly how a story comes together. And when you can do that, you have an intuitive sense of what it takes to write an incredible, powerful, moving, compelling book. You can use all of those things that you learn from the books you read, the movies and TV shows you watch, and put them into your own book so your own book becomes amazing.